Right, so this feature I'm going to really just touch upon, I suppose, and so you can get a little bit more confident yourself and explore. What you can see here, I've drafted an assignment called Demo Rubric. You can see it's a draft because it's greyed out. It says draft, but if I click on it and edit it, you see Demo Rubric, Demo all students. I can select my students, ungraded, no due date. I'll put it in the topic lesson 1. I'm going to add a rubric. Now again, you can import from sheets, you can create them in sheets because it's just a grid really, and matrix. Reuse rubric if there's one already created. I'm going to create one. Now the resolution of the screen isn't great. You can choose if you want scoring or not. So you can see here we can assign points to different criterion. It's entirely up to you how you do it. I'm going to say not use scoring, and it's going to say, well, any scoring you've added will be removed. So let's call it, it could be anything, spelling. And here you can have a description, so use of correct spelling, level, top tier, description, right, you've used all, ironic, used all correct. Right, I'm going to add something else. Right, middle, you've used a lot of correct spelling. And you can get the idea, you've used no correct spelling. Now as I say, you can add points to these, you can add scores, so this could be 100, I don't know, 50, 0, but then we might want to actually add another one, so this could be punctuation. You get the idea. And so then when we, if I just, let's say we delete that one, and I'm going to save it, that will actually create that rubric. And so when we add a task, and when it comes to marking, so let's actually do that. Let's add Google Docs. Yeah, we're creating one, there's nothing in there, blah 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 blah. Give it a title, it'll be called blah 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 2. I'll cross that off, and I'm going to say each student can make a copy for each student, the same practice, and then we're going to assign that. Yes please. Again, it's just a second because it's creating all those folders and copies for the student and the teacher in their Google Drive. So let's see now if I go back. Now you can see it isn't appearing here in real time. The reason being is that that web page has been static. So we just need to refresh it by either clicking on classwork again, or F5, or pressing this refresh button. So let's just click classwork, and there you go. The demo rubrics appeared. Well, you can see the criterion, so the students can see what they're working to. They've got the grades that they are working to. Let's click on this. So there's the question, blah 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 blah. Here's my answer, blah 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 blah. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to am I still on my demo account? Yeah, turn in. That's what I'm looking for. Turn in. So now, are you happy you're going to hand it in? Yes, I am. That's my student. That's that done. My student is now happy. Let's just minimise that. Now my teacher view. You get the routine. It's really simple. My teacher view. I can click on demo rubric. I can see. Whoa! Look at that. One student's handed it in. I can see the criterion. Just to remind myself. Yeah, that's the. Oh, it's put them in the wrong order there, but that's my mistake. I can change that. If I go to turn in, I can see who's turned it in. Demo student. And just on the side here, look, built into this feature, this is a new feature here. I said for the rubric of spelling, okay, it's been absolutely terrible. So bottom, obviously I haven't added that point score, but if I had more rubrics that I've created and I wasn't being so lazy for this video, you can see that your marking can really pick up and speed up. I'm going to return that now. return. So that return version, let's have a look, so the student can actually see the feedback. I know it was quick feedback, it wasn't rich as it should be. So demo student rubric, so I'm in my student view. So you can see here that the work is being returned, and you can see here that for spelling, it's, again, apologies that they weren't in order, but you can see there's a view, and we can see that, for nightmare for your spelling, you came out with for bottom, which wasn't great. But when you've got a teacher that spells so badly like I did there, you can understand why. That was a quick video about rubrics.